This Prusament PETG Ultramarine Blue filament delivers very reliable printing performance thanks to its tightly controlled diameter and consistent extrusion behavior. The rich ultramarine blue transparent color gives finished parts a vivid glass-like look that works well for decorative pieces and functional prototypes alike. Because the filament is produced in-house by the same company that designs the printers, the material profiles are well tuned and prints require very little dialing in. Surface finish is impressively smooth for a polyethylene terephthalate glycol material with minimal stringing and good layer adhesion when printed at the recommended temperatures. The mechanical properties strike a nice balance between toughness and flexibility, making it suitable for enclosures, mechanical brackets, and everyday utility parts that must endure regular use. Each 1 kilogram spool comes with detailed production data that can be checked online, which inspires confidence in the batch-to-batch consistency of the filament.